All good. Namaste to all of you. You have to be on your mats at 7 and you need to stretch wherever you're feeling any tightness before we begin the session. All right? Today we are doing tight hamstrings. Why do they happen? Because, of course, it's the wrong movements that we are doing repetitively on our body. Muscle imbalances. When we were young, we did not learn flexibility. We weren't doing exercises to create that, and as we grew older, we kept sitting longer. All right, a lot of exercises like running and all also can create a lot of tight hamstrings till you stretch them out. Keeping your legs bent, place your strap on your foot. You can hold the strap with both hands. Scarf, strap, belt, tie, whatever you have, because a lot of us can't reach our foot here. Hamstrings are tight. So, even if you can't reach, if you can reach till here, the belt helps. Alright, everybody ready? Placing the belt on the balls of your foot, flexing the foot, pointing the foot, flexing the foot, pointing the foot, flex, and pull through the belt when you flex, point, flex, point, flex, point. Few more. Feel when you're flexing, how you're stretching through the calf muscle. And as you're pointing, you're working on the shin muscle and the front of the ankle, which is very important to strengthen when you walk, for your foot to lift up as you walk. So this exercise is very, very important. Okie dokes. Let's do it on the other leg, just to keep the balance going. Get the strap on the other leg, on the ball of the foot, just pulling the strap towards you. Try to, if this knee is bent, try to move the strap lower so that you can straighten the knee. Don't try to pull it so close and then the knee bends. Wherever you can hold it, the leg is straight. Some of us will have to hold there for it to be straight. Hold there and flex and point. Flex and point. Right, so let's go flex. Point. As you point, your arms are straight. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Really stretch those leg muscles. They are being dormant, they're just not moving anymore. So, and 2, flex, and 1, point, and relax. Just bring the feet out and toes in. Breathe here for 5 breaths. As you bring your toes in, feel the whole hip, the sacrum widening, creating space. And let's come back. Okay. Anyone with tight hamstrings will keep the left leg bent and take the right leg up, holding the strap. flexing the foot. And stay here. If you are feeling that your hamstring is feeling more open, then only take it to the next level by straightening. But I suggest if you straighten the leg and you're like this and this knee is bending here, then keep this leg bent and just work on this hamstring. You're going to breathe here for about 15 deep breaths. Keep the feet flexed to keep the engagement in your lower part. Take the breath to the back of the legs. And I'll give you a trick under the knee. If this is bent just behind your thigh, hit it. As soon as you, and hit it hard. As soon as you hit it hard, the knee will straighten. Really, it helps you. Beautiful. Hold for 5 more deep breaths. And now with your right hand, hold the strap with one hand, keeping your left hand to the side, and take your leg over to the right. Now mind you, I don't want this hip lifted. Keep the leg where your left thigh is on the floor. If some of us are having a problem with that, take a cushion under your right hip. Actually, all of you should take a cushion under your right hip. It's going to give you more alignment. And with the cushion, take the foot to the right and hold for 15 deep breaths. Beautiful. Really push the leg, look over your left shoulder. Feel the thigh, the hip, the back of the legs, the pelvis. Breathe. For any change to happen, we have to hold at least for a little bit. I'm making you guys hold still lesser. Later in the practices, when you go deeper, you start holding deeper. Come back to center, everyone. Hold the strap now with the left hand, with the other hand, and take the strap, take the leg to the left. Now, this foot, the left foot, try to keep the toes up and just work on the back of that hamstring. Don't try to drop the whole leg down. Try to keep your buttocks on the floor. Try to keep that foot facing up just for 5 breaths, then we'll change that foot. Deep breathing, my friends, deep breathing. Try to push the left back knee on the floor. And now that left foot, which is toes facing up, you can move the toes to the left and go deeper. Go a little bit deeper. Breathe into the sensations. And inhale, come back up, come to that center in the spine has moved slightly. And now, the next exercise, just with your hand up and down, holding the scarf or the belt. Hold it far so you have place for the leg movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and dance. Beautiful. And release. Let me come on the other side. Put the strap on your other leg, please. I'm coming on the other side so you're closer to you.